Michelle. How are you? We're gonna do a project today with shaving cream. Ooh, everybody likes shaving cream. We're gonna make a car road. Are you ready? Ooh. And we can mess it up with our hands, make a nice road. Ooh, shaving cream feels good. Woo-hoo-hoo, good and messy. Ready? We'll take our car. Let's do a fire engine. Ride it on the road. Wow, look at those tracks. Woo! Do a tractor. Look at this. Oh, wow, it's shoveling up all the shaving cream. And a bus. We have a bus. Woo! Look at that road. Whee! A Jeep. Here we go. Oh, I love shaving cream. It's so much fun. We can also use a brush if we want to. Brush with our shaving cream. You can do all kinds of things with shaving cream, and it feels good, and it cleans up like this. Easy, easy, easy. So find some shaving cream, friends, and have a good time. Take care, my friends. Have fun. Bye.